Hello everyone, you're welcome. In this video, I will show you how to process your order, how to process customer's order. Okay, so I believe by now you've created your account on myzimri.com and equally created your business website or your e-commerce website. So if you haven't done that, log on to myzimri.com and create your account and equally create your business website. And as well, we have a video. We've created a video to help you, to guide you to create your account and create your e-commerce store or e-commerce website on MyZimri. Okay, you can check that on our channel as well. So we're going to get started. So to get started, I'm going to log on to my account. So I've already logged into my account. Okay, so if you have created your account, and created your store, you're going to have this as well. So if you haven't done that, this is a button to create new store. So you can go ahead and create your store and follow the whole steps and finish that up. Okay. Now to process user order, okay, now this is my storefront. So from here I can visit my storefront. Okay, this is it, and I already have that here. Okay, so now I'm going to buy a product from this particular website as if I'm a customer. So now after that, I will now come to my my admin store where I can manage my store from here now. So if I click here now, I'm going to go straight to where I'm managing my e-commerce store. So now, after I've made a purchase as a customer, then I can come here and process the order. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can process your order and also how customer can buy goods and services from your store as well. So let's say we want to buy this particular product. Okay, so this is 5,000 naira. So this is there's a disc is 10,000, but we're getting a discount of 5,000. So let's add this. So let's check quick view. Okay, so let's add it on our account, on our cart. So this is it. So let's look for another one we can buy. Okay, let's simply buy this one. Okay, so I can click on quick view. So, or I can, okay, so you can see you have to select. So let's say I want to buy the medium. So remember in our last video, this is a product we added. So I'm buying purple. Okay, so this is a demo. Okay, so I'm going to add that. You can see how many quantities I want. So I only want one. So I'm going to probably add it on our account. So you can see it has added. So, and if I come here, you can see this is my shopping cart. You can see I have two products. Okay, so you can see one is 10, one is 15, and that is total of 20k. So I'm going to progress to checkout, and remember customers can equally click on view the product details as well. So once they click on it, they can see the product details and they can still check out. But since I already have it on my cart, okay, you can see view on cart. Okay, so there's other things they can equally add to wish list. Maybe they don't have fund to buy it immediately, and it automatically add to their wish list as well. Okay, so if there's any information, so you can see more information, you can see everything here. Okay, then description, you can see the description we added then, and if there's no review yet, so if there's any review, they're going to see it here as well. Okay, so this is it. So you can see the category, the subcategory, then they can still probably share. So you can click here to share this particular product to social handles or social media. So now what we're going to do is to progress to our checkout. So I'm going to click here and let's go to view carts. Okay, so this is view cart, and you can see we have everything here, so you can still increase the price. You can see everything is okay. So if there's a coupon code, they can apply that. Okay, so currently there's no coupon code. And how do you generate coupon code? So from here you come to coupon code. See, this is it from your from your admin where you manage your store. So you see coupon code. So currently let's say this one has already expired. Okay, it has ended. So you can create a new coupon code. So you can create a new one. So let's just create a one. So this one, let's give them a fixed amount. So let's say we are giving them, we are removing maybe 1,005 for them. Okay, and it's going to start today. As of the time I'm doing this video, and it's going to end in tomorrow the same time. Okay, so maximum usage per customer. So customers should just use it once. Okay, they don't. So that means what we mean by, so a customer can use it. How many times you want each customer to use it? Okay, they can use it once, they can use it twice, or remember any amount you want them to use it. Okay, so but I just want to use it once. Each customer can use it once. That's what it means. So no customer can use it more than once. So creating this, so I've created it. So this is it. You can see it's fixed. This is the amount, and this is when it's starting. This is when it's ending. Maximum usage is 1. Total usage, so there's no usage here. So I'm going to copy this. So this is what you're going to send to them. So I'll click on it to copy it. Then I'll come here now. I'm going to paste it here. Right click and paste. So I'm going to apply coupon. So you see, you can see it has applied. You can see coupon applied. You can see the discount is 1,500. So the total amount now is 18,500. So I have a discount. Okay. So now here we can progress further to checkout. Okay, so this is the checkout page. Okay, you can see it. So the customer is going to enter. So now if it's a returning customer, they can log in. Okay, their details. Yeah, so else they just enter their name, their last name, their phone number, their email, and every other thing. Okay, so at the end of the day, they enter their password. Okay, then you can now be able to place order. Okay, so but I'm going to log in as a returning customer. Okay, because I already have an account, so I'm going to log in as a returning customer. Okay, so I'm going to enter my email. Okay, so as a customer. Okay, so the email I use to usually create my customer account. So I'm going to enter my password. Then I'm going to click on login. Okay, so I've logged in. Okay. So like you see, I've logged in. Okay, so and automatically my name, all this information came up. Okay, yeah, so that is it. And if you look well, you can see my cards, everything I still have in my cart are still intact. Okay, yeah. So so now if you look at here, you look at already have my shipping state, which is Lagos. Okay, so that is the system automatically do the whole calculation. So according to here now, so you have to set up your shipping states. Okay, so this is where you do that. You go to store setups, then you come to shipping states. So you can see these are my shipping states. I've already activated them. So I activated these states. So which means that any customers can only see this state that are activated. You can see we have Lagos there. Okay. So and each of them you're going to put the shipping price. So you click here to edit the shipping price. Okay. So that is it. So all these ones that are off, that means it's not going to appear there. So if I come here now, if you click on shipping state, you can see this state now. You see these are the states. So these states you are seeing here now are the states that are active, that are set active. Okay, so you can set yours as well, and each of them you have to put the shipping price. So if it is free, if it is 0, if it is free, that means it's going to be this. Okay, then description there, this is where you can now put maybe details about, okay, it's going to take the same day or whatever. Okay, so if you look at that of Lagos, so if I come down to Lagos, okay, so you can see Lagos, you can see 1 day. So you put in details. So those are the details customers are going to see, okay, in their shipping. Okay, so now you can see the shipping price is 7K. So and that is what we have here. So but this is just a demo, so we can reduce it. Yeah, so depending on you, so we can say, okay, let the shipping price be 5K. So and I'm going to submit. So if I Okay, it has updated. So if I have it load here, so you're going to see the shipping. We reduce from this is the shipping, so it's going to reduce from 7 to 5. Okay, you can see it has reduced from 7 to 5. Okay, so now you see this is the, remember our initial total was 20k, and plus the shipping now that is 5k, we have 25k. Then the coupon discount, remember we're giving them a discount of 1,500. So if it is removed, we now have a total of 23,500. Okay, so this is it. So remember that the shipping information we have here, which is this, you can see the 1 day. So you can add other things you want. Okay, add more information, so you have enough space to add things for the customer to know about the shipping information. Okay, so now you check as a customer, to check everything. Okay, my everything is okay, my details, my shipping information, the address or whatever, they are okay, so I can now place order. So automatically it takes me to payment. Okay, so you can see everything is here. You can see the total, the discount is equally affected here, so it is still 23. Okay, now this is payment. So now you can see I have option to make payments online. I equally have option for pay on delivery. Okay, now why did I have this option? Because if I come to my store, now, and if I go to payment methods, you can see this payment method, go to setup. So how you locate that is go to store setups. So if you scroll down, you come to store setups. Okay, you now see payment method, and if you notice also, I'm equally getting a notification immediately that there's one new order, because someone has already placed an order, but the person hasn't made payment yet. If I go there now, you see that the order has been placed, but there's no payment. Okay, so now under payment method, you can, if I close this, if you can see payment on delivery is active. Okay, and you see cart total minimum, so which means if customer is making any purchase that is minimum of 1,000 naira and also maximum of 50,009. Okay, so that is why this particular purchase fall between, because this is below 50,000, so that is why you see pay on delivery. Okay, now let's say I don't want it, so customers, everybody should pay online. All I need to do is to switch off this. Now right now is off. Okay, and I'll have to update this as well. So I click here to update it, so it's off now. So if I come here now and reload this and refresh this page, you see that the payment on delivery will no longer be there. So which means customers are to make payment online. Okay, so you've seen it now. Okay, so now if I come here now, you can see I'm getting a notification as well. So you can see I have new online order. Okay, so now if I click on this, so you're going to see that there's an order, but the payment has not been paid. You can see this is new. You can see the amount. You can see this amount that we have here. Okay, and you can equally see it here as well. You can see start to spending. So customers is yet to pay it. Okay, so this is the name of the customer. This is the date. Okay, so let's wait for the customer to make payment. Okay, it's still pending. Now what I'm going to do now as a customer here, so this is my customer, so I'm going to click on here to make payment. So it's going to take me to the environment which I'm going to use to make payment. So okay, so what I'm going to do as a customer is to click on this button to make payment online. Okay, so once I click on this button, so it's going to take me to the environment where I'm going to make my payment. Okay, and remember here we have our order which is pending, and this is from customer. Okay, so once we make our payment, the order status is going to change to paid. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to go ahead and make my payment, and once I'm done with my payment, I'm going to come back. Okay, so I'm going to proceed my payment, and I'll be back. Okay, yeah, you have completed my payment. Okay, so you can say thank you, thanks for your order is being processed and will be completed. You can always track your order to know the current state of your order. So this is my order ID as a customer. Okay, so I have buttons. I can see this button to track my order. I can equally see the items of what I bought. I can equally go back to dashboard. Okay, So let's click on track order. So let's see what we have there. Okay, so this is our track order. So you can see the order has been confirmed. So here to be picked by a courier and on the way and ready for pickup. Okay, so you can see what Zimbly provides for you. So customers can now be able to track their order. They will see the state of their order. Okay, so now what we're going to do. So and if we behind below it, we see the our order as well. You see the list of the items that we ordered. Okay, so this is it. It means one. So these are the total what we were charged. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our admin. Okay, we're going to go back to admin. So this is admin. Now, so this is it. So if I refresh this page, this is going to turn to paid, and then we can now proceed to fulfill our order as well. Okay, and also this is my wallet. Okay, my income is going to increase as well. So we're going to look at this. So currently I have about 20. Okay, it has increased already. Okay, so it has reflected, because you notice now before I have less than this. Okay, so and if you look at the total payment was, if you look at the total payment here, it was this. Okay, so now my wallet has been able to increase, and when we go to our wallet, we're going to see the income as well. So let me refresh this page. We're going to see that our order, you can see it has changed to paid. Okay, it has changed to paid, and this is the payment method, the default API. So this is it. So this is the name of the customer. So the order has not been fulfilled. So from here now, and if we go to our wallet, okay, we're going to see our income as well. So this is our income wallet. You can see that the price I have, you can see the amount, inflow, order, checkout. Okay, you can see the amount that was paid by customer. So this is it, and it has already reflected as immediately. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so now if I want to withdraw this to my local bank account, so all I need is to click here, then select my local bank account, then put the details and everything, put my name and everything, then put my password to confirm that I'm the one, actually the person making this request. Okay, so once that is done, the fund will be sent to your local bank account immediately. Okay, so that is it. So that is, from here you can select your bank account, and from there you can withdraw. So this is it for your wallets. Okay, so spending, this is from here. You can make other payment like sending email, bulk SMS to your customer. So this one takes care of you too, and you can equally fund it from your income wallet. Okay, so let's go back to order. So now this is where we manage our online order. Okay, so this order comes from online, so we only have physical record. Okay, which we have here, record sales. So but this one comes online. So now these are our online sales. Okay, so these are online order. Okay, so now for us to process this, we go to action. So you can see details. You can equally see the details of this order. So it's going to load. You're going to see the whole details. You can see the name of the customer, the total amount charged, the payment method, the payment status, the date. You can see there is a coupon code that was used, and you see the coupon code that the customer used as well. So this is the shipping method and the shipping status. So this is the status, and you can see the details of the person, of the customer's order as well. Okay, so we're going to close this. You come to actions again, you go to invoice. So here you can generate invoice for the customer. Okay, so I can download as PDF, and you can send the invoice across to the customer as well. You can see everything about the transaction. So this is how you can generate your invoice. You can send to the customer. Okay, then we have shipping. So here now, this is where you can now update the shipping details. So depending on the shipping you are using, so you can now put the ship by name. So if it is a company maybe or whatever, you can use maybe DH or whatever. Okay, so maybe DHL, the estimated date of delivery. So let's say it's is the customer is going to get it the next day. Okay, then the phone number of the company that is shipping the product. Okay, you can put of the person. Okay, if you're using Webby or whatever, or call a driver. Okay, like some use. Okay, so you put the contact number that the customer can call to pick up the product. Okay, so so you can just put the number. Let's say 081 whatever. Okay, so this is just for demo purposes. Then this is where you're going to update the order status. Okay, this is currently the order is processing, so you can now update it and now say it has been picked by a courier. Okay, then here now, hey, notify the customer the current state of the order through SMS, and also send email to the customer as well. So now with this, now once you update this, it's going to send email to the customer telling the customer your order has been picked by a courier, and also send email as well. So you, if you like, you can remove it, okay, or you can check it. Okay, so if we click on update shipping status, so it's going to update, and we're going to see, you can see success updated successfully, so it has been updated. And if you scroll down, we're going to see the order has progressed to picked by courier service. And if we come to our customer page where we're tracking the order, so if you refresh this page, once the customer come to this page again, so you're going to see that the order status has changed. Okay, it has been updated by picked by courier service. You can see it has been picked. So now once the order has reached the destination, and once the courier service has picked it on the way, so all you need is to update the order as well. Okay, so you can still send the customer SMS or email, whatever your choice is, okay, to update the customer. So it's your choice. So all I need for now, since it's a demo, class, so I don't need to be sending email and SMS every time. Okay, so but for you, you have to constantly update your customer, so you have to leave it on. Okay, you have to leave it checked, but I don't need to because this is a demo video. So if I update this now, and once the customer come, he's gonna see the order now is on the way. So till the point that is now ready for pickup. So once it's ready for pickup, remember there is going to be an SMS and email as well, letting the customer to know that the order is now ready for pickup, and the customer can now go and pick it up once you update this. Okay, so with this now, the order now is ready for pickup, and the customer can now go and pick up the order. Okay, so you can see everything has, so once the customer has picked it up, then the order has been completed. So now what you now do is you can now come here to fulfill this order. So you come here now, click on fulfillment. So you click on fulfillment. Customer has received order. Yes. Okay, so now you can see the order has been fulfilled. Okay, so now this order has been fulfilled now. So, and now we already have one that is unfulfilled, so which is this one. Okay, so you can, the customer, you can see the customer did not pay. Yeah, so now what you do most times, once the order has not been paid, so the ideal is always to delete the transaction or to delete the order. You can see you have the option to delete, but these ones you don't have the option to delete because the transaction that it was paid. So it's just a way to keep your record clean. Okay, so if you want to keep your record clean, so any transaction, any order that was not paid is always good to delete, or maybe you want to leave it for whatever reference purposes or whatever, is up to you as well. So it's optional. Okay, so this is it. So this is how to process your order. You can see we started from the point of purchase to the point of payment, and also to the point of making our tracking our order as well. So if I come back to my dashboard, so I can go back to my dashboard now. So if I come back to, okay, so if I come back to my dashboard, okay, yeah, so if I come back here, I can still click here as well to come back to my dashboard. So now if I go to orders now, and as a customer, I'm going to see the list of my orders. Okay, so then I can equally see, okay, so from my dashboard, okay, so which I can always access if I click here. As long as I'm logged in, I can always access that. So from my dashboard, so once I click on order, So I'm going to see the list of my orders. So these are my orders. Okay, so you can see the one I made today. We can see the status is paid. You can see the amount, and you can see it has been fulfilled as well. Okay, this is the one that wasn't paid. You can see it is unfulfilled. Okay, so maybe I might still want to pay if that is still optional or whatever. So I can still click here to make payment. Then these fulfilled ones, okay, can click here to see track order. Okay, so that is it. So you can equally see order list. Okay, you can see other items. You can track order. You can see other items. So if I click here, and I can see the list of the orders that I can see everything and the payment that I made. Okay, so that is it. So that is it. Okay, for customers to make to place an order. So these are other details. You can see account details, their wish list, and log out as well. Okay, so now from here you can see how you can process order, and then if I go to customers, you can see your customers. So if I go to online, so you can see my customers. You can see the total purchase that this particular customers has made. Okay, you can see their details. You can see their address. So from here you can see your customers that are doing well, so you can reward them, can maybe send them a gift or whatever. So this is also a way to know how to appreciate your customers. So you can see Zimly has a great tools that can help you manage, not just make sales, but manage your customers, manage your business, engage your customers, and see what is actually happening in your business without having to be taking along a whole lot of record. Okay, so with Zimly you can do a lot. Okay, you can see your physical customers, your newsletter as well. Okay, so these physical customers are the ones that occurs here. Okay, so then under order you can see record sales. So this one is the ones that happened online. So these ones, now if you come to record sales, so these ones are the ones that you sell physical. Okay, so you can see this now. We have this customer is unknown, so maybe you can record sales now here. Now just as customers go online to make purchase, but here you made a sales, maybe is a physical sale. Okay, you can now record it here as well in Zimly. So you can select the source of the payment, maybe the source of the same, maybe physical. You just select the date. Okay, if it's a new customer, now you can select a new customer, put the customer name, customer email, phone number. The email is optional. Maybe customer don't want to give you their phone number. Address is also optional. So, but at least maybe customer don't want to give you their email, but at least how you have to get their phone number as well. Okay, so but in a situation they don't want to give you any of their details, then you have to now use unknown customer. So here you are not taking in their details. But if you already have the customer details in your system, all you need is to select existing customer, but you don't have any now. So you're going to select new customer, then put the customer details. You can say okay, demo, you can say okay, you can say John Peter. Okay, so this is the customer's email. You can say John at whatever. So once you're done with this, you click on next. Okay, so let's leave this for now. Okay, so since we choose this, so you have to put the details. Okay, let's just put detail. Let's say John Peter. Okay, then 081 345. So just enter a number, your customer's number as well, then email address John Peter gmail.com. So this is the address. Okay, you can see demo address. So we click on next. So this is where you can now pick the products that you sell. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on the product. So maybe I sell this, I sold this. Okay, this one. So the items, you pick them. So here you're going to see the list of all the whole product you have on your system, so you can pick the ones that was sold. Okay, and after that you just click on the product to select it. Then I can click on next. So here now, this is where you can now add the how many quantities that was sold. Maybe here I sold this one, maybe 3 was sold here, maybe here it's 5. Okay, maybe 5, or okay, let's say 5. Then here let's say 2. So you can see the prices are changing, okay, based on the quantity. Then I can now, so you can see if there's a discount, if you give, maybe it's fixed discount, you put the amount you give. If it is percentage, you can put the percentage. Let's say we gave a 10% discount, okay, so we're going to put the 10%. So you can see it has been affected here. So this is the 10% discount. This is the new total amount, okay. So you can still go back and select your product, okay. So then you can now go next and make your pay. What's the payment status? Is it paid? Is it partly paid, or is it unpaid? So if it is paid, you choose the payment source of payment, if it is cash or POS, and now put the other notes. And if it is unpaid, you select the, if it's unpaid, that means there is no payment that has been made, okay, so there's nothing to record. But if it is part payment, you can select the payment method, the amount that was paid. Let's say 10,000 was paid, okay, yeah, so 10,000 was paid. So the remark to balance next week or whatever. So just a note. Then so this is the final review. Then you create order, okay. So it has been created. So you can say we have it here now. So this customer, this is the name of the customer. So there's a discount. So if I go to customers now, I can now see this particular customer under physical sales. So if I come down to customer, this is customers. So you can see that, okay, we have the customer. You can see the amounts, the total amount, the total orders, and others. And so this is a way, like I said, for you to record your sales. You can see we have seen online customers buying from us online. We have equally seen recording the sales that was done physical. Then I have a new notification. You can see one product is out of stock, so I can go and check the product and equally put it back, okay. So you can see the product. Okay, this is the product that is out of stock, so all I need to do is to edit it and add the stock. Once I have it, maybe I've increased it to 50, so I can still update it, okay. So we're good to go. So that is it. So this is how you can process order. And if I come back to my home, if I come back to the dashboard, so you're going to see the physical sales has increased, the online sales has equally increased. You can see the sales, this month's sales are equally increased, okay. So this is what we have. Yeah, and I still have, if you remember the unpaid order that we have, that's what we're still having this here, okay. So this is how you can process order, and this is how customers can equally buy from you and you process the order. So thank you so much, and do have a great day. Bye.